Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more transition in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PowerPoint and I'm going to show you how we can add more transition to our slides. If you want to add transitions, you can go to the transitions menu right here. And then you will be able to get a lot of transitions for your slides to make your PowerPoint more captivating. But here, since we want to learn how to add more transition, we can choose the Morph transition right here. Just click on the Morph transition and this transition will be applied to your slides. And here guys, you can customize the duration of the transition. I'm going to increase it like this, and we can go to the effect options. You can apply this effect to the object, words, or characters. And I'm just going to choose, for example, objects. Again, this is the result. As you can see that the Morph transition has been applied to this PowerPoint, and if you want to apply this transition to all your slides, you just need to click on Apply to All. Okay, and I'm going to play it, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply Morph transition in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.